Hi guys, welcome to Coding Beetle, and here I am with another program solution from CodingBet website. So the next program is string E. So let's see what it says. It says return true if given string contains between 1 and 3 E characters. That means in a given string there should be 1 to 3 E's. That means if there will be occurrence of E from 1 to in between 1 to 3 times, then return true, or else we have to return false. So let's see how it can be done. First we will take the number of occurrence equals to 0. Then in for loop we will take int I. Int I will be the counter variable that will count upwards, and then I less than string length, means the length of the string, that is the string that we are taking, then I plus plus, and then we will check if string in char at position I equals E, then we will give an increment to the num variable, and at the end we will return 1 less than equals to num and num less than equals 3. In this program, first I am taking num variable which has a value given in it, that is 0, and we are taking counter variable, that is I, in for loop to count until it is not less than the string length of the string, and I is incrementing after doing the task given in the for loop. In the for loop, if the character at the position I is equals E, then the variable num is having an increment of 1, and after getting out of the for loop we are returning true or false by checking if num is less than or num is more than 1 and less than equals to 3, more than equals to 1 and less than equals to 3. And let's see how it goes. I hope the program will be correct. Yes, absolutely correct. And I hope you understood the program, and if you have any doubts you can feel free to ask in the comment section below, and I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.